All right, hello. Here is my final project here that I created. I ran into a lot of problems with trying to use the API that I chose. Um, because of the API that I chose, it did not like cores and would not allow me to pull any information from the front end. So I had to go a bit of a different route and bring my information through a backend. So it took a long while to learn and to figure out, but I'm using Node.js to get all of the information to the backend or to the backend and pull it into the front end. So the database that I'm using, or the API that I'm using, is IGBD, which has a bunch of video game information. So I'll go ahead and show you around my website. The homepage, it has a few featured games. These are just very popular games that are out and a lot of people have been playing. So I wanted to feature a few of these. Now, all of this information is pulled from the API and fed directly into my front end. So there's the featured games. When I click on Discover, it takes it a minute to load, but the Discover takes a random list of 200 different games that have a rating above 80, and it creates randomly 10 different games. And I put this as a Discover so you can kind of get an idea of what kind of games are out there. So it all shows the title, which is 2 for 2, a quick summary, and the genre that is within the the game. And then each has their own little logo as well that is also pulled from the API. And then the other part that I have done is the search. In the search, you can choose how many responses you want. So if you want if you want to search for 5 different games that contain the word, let's say, chocolate, just for fun, because I'm sure there's something out there. There's a video game right there called Chocolate. It's an indie game, Poppy Chocolate. So all of these 5 games are games about chocolate. If I wanted to do another game, Halo, which is a more popular game, and there's a lot more games for it, I can go ahead and search that. And it will read the values from here, take it to the back end, and then search the AP for anything that has Halo. So here's all of the games that have Halo. Now, most of the games are parent games. They're not packages or other things, but you do still get a few of them that are kind of weird. So as of right now, I wanted to make it so that you could click on either the title or the picture and be able to get the reviews, or click on reviews and search for specific games and get the reviews for those games. But I ran out of time. Once again, I ran into a lot of different problems. But that is my website in a nutshell. I wish I had a little bit more time, or not time, but I wish that I didn't run into so many problems. I ran into a few problems that took me 6 or 7 hours to fix just to get anything pulled from the API. So that's what I've got. Thanks for watching. Bye.